Well, Australians are facing a clutter crisis in our homes on the back of a growing obsession with collecting and hoarding. But experts say there are simple solutions to make sense of the mess and make some cash.
Chasing after two toddlers doesn't leave Laura Flynn time for much else.
They keep me on my toes.
And for the Perth mum, keeping clutter under control tends to fall by the wayside.
It's something that I struggle with, and I think you kind of, when you've got small kids and you're just trying to, sometimes you're just getting through the day.
Experts say it's getting harder to keep a lid on mess, and our obsession with collecting stuff is getting worse.
We don't all have to be minimalists, but we definitely have way too much stuff that gets in the way of how we want to live.
I suppose the more space you've got, the more space there is to just fill with stuff.
50% of Australians think they could fill half a room with items they don't need, and that clutter is costing thousands. On average, Aussies spend more than $1,200 a year on items that are never used.
Just going to see what we can recycle, what we can donate, what you want to sell, and what you need to keep.
And the garage is the most common dumping ground.
Okay, kids' artwork.
Oh,
now that's a classic.
yeah.
Only 1/4 of people can fit one car in their double garage.
So all donations?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So let's grab all that.
Yeah, we have far too many of those.
Australians are sitting on $60 billion worth of unused stuff, with the average household containing $6,600 worth of unused items. There are simple steps to recoup some of that money and make sense of the mess. Start small. Create a sorting station with labelled boxes for donate, recycle, sell and keep. Plan exactly where you are going to take your discarded items. If you're unsure of an item, set it aside. And if you don't use it after a period of time, get rid of it.
Am I going to use it on a regular basis? Does it really solve a problem that I actually have? And do I have the space to store it?
Less stuff around definitely contributes to your well-being, overall well-being.
Annalise Bolt, 9 News.